aggressive growth stocks or stocks set to grow aggressively. Another way of saying the same thing. Brian Bolan, our aggressive growth stock strategist, is here to tell us about a couple of them that he has on his radar. See, when you're a big-time host like I am, you know how to do all that stuff. Zillow is one. It's in the real estate arena.
Right, it's a website that provides real estate information. You can go check out the price of homes, not just yours. You can see everyone in the neighborhood. They have got a number of competitors out there, but I think Zillow is doing a little bit better and a little bit differently than everyone else. You get to see all different price homes, as well as a bunch of other information about the neighborhood in that home. So you'll get school information for the schools, the price history,
what your neighbor's earning.
Well, it doesn't go. It doesn't quite go that far.
Oh, okay. Well,
but there is plenty of information out there on the web. I'm not going to say that that's not out there, but
it's somewhere.
I wouldn't be surprised if someone could hack into it. The idea with Zillow is that they've been growing their revenue, and that's the key idea when you're talking about an aggressive growth stock or a stock that is growing aggressively, as you put at the beginning here.
Either way.
Either way works good. As you grow revenue, you get a better chance to make earnings. And I think that the earnings here for Zillow have been pretty good. 4 of the last 5 have been beats. And if we look at the chart here, we can see that the stock ran up to $100 and has since come back down. We're trading right around $80, just maybe a buck or two over that. Obviously, I think that this is a good time. This pullback is a great opportunity. I think the stock goes back to 100 and even higher.
All right. This other one, tell me if I'm pronouncing this right. Finisar?
Yes, Finisar.
FNSR ticker?
Right, FNSR is the ticker. It's a fiber optic play. That I've been talking a lot about fiber optic plays here over the last couple weeks.
Yeah.
Sienna was the one that I highlighted last week. This is in the same vein there. There is more demand for internet. Bandwidth is getting choked down. So suppliers of internet, the ISPs, internet service providers, need a bigger pipe. And they need that bigger pipe because people are watching much more video. Streaming more shows, more content, bypassing, the cable, the cable television shows and those sorts of things, and looking at stuff directly via Netflix, via their Roku, their Apple TV, those sorts of devices. So there is big demand there. The big thing about Finisar is recently that there was an upgrade to the stock. I believe it was Jefferies was the brokerage. They upgraded from underperform to hold. And normally you would think that that's, they were bad, they were sour on the name before, now they're just at average. But the real idea is that this is one of the last laggards of analysts that was, kind of negative on the name. And now that they're not negative, that removes pretty much all doubt. You've got everyone on the same board and everything looking good. The stock's reacting quite well to that upgrade. And if we look at the chart here, we can see that there's been a lot of green on the screen, moving in that right direction. As an aggressive growth stock should.
All right. Well, I have a small group of reenactors who come to my house and reenact my favorite television shows, but it's not working well at all. Do you own either one of these two?
I do not.
Okay. Check out other stock picks and stock picking strategies on our website. If you're not there already, Zacks.com, the place to go for that information. With Brian, I'm Terry Ruffalo.